In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Godaddy domain to Shopify. We will go through the process inside Shopify first so you know exactly where to begin before making any changes to your domain connection. This helps keep the setup simple and avoids confusion later. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Make sure you are signed into the correct store, especially if you manage more than one Shopify account. Once you are inside the admin dashboard, look to the lower left area for settings and click on it. From the settings menu, select domains. This is where Shopify lets you manage any domain connected to your store, whether it is a new domain, a purchased domain, or one you already own through another provider like Godaddy. If this is your first time in this section, take a moment to confirm you are on the correct page before continuing. Next, click Connect Existing Domain. This option is for domains that were purchased outside of Shopify and need to be linked to your store. After clicking it, Shopify will ask you to enter the domain name you want to connect. Type in your Godaddy domain carefully and make sure the spelling is correct, because even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. After entering the domain, click Next. Shopify will then begin preparing the connection process and will usually check whether the domain can be connected automatically or if you need to complete the setup yourself. On the next screen, click Connect Manually. This is the option you will use to move forward with a manual connection for your Godaddy domain. Choosing this tells Shopify that you will be updating the domain settings yourself rather than relying on an automatic connection. At this point, Shopify will guide you to the information needed for the manual setup. The important part here is that you have now started the connection process correctly from inside your Shopify store. Following these exact clicks in order makes the rest of the setup much easier and helps ensure your domain is ready to be linked properly. As a quick tip, always double-check the domain you entered before moving on. It is also a good idea to keep your Shopify domains page open while you work, so you can refer back to it if needed. That covers everything you need to know.